Welcome to Birla International School. You are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 4th for mathematics and we are going to solve worksheet 29. And you can see the first question is given, complete the series. Here there is a fraction. Okay students, continuous fractions are given and all fractions are equivalent. So you can see here is given the table of 5 and here 1, then 2, then there will be 3, then 4. Okay students. In the next question, here table of given 6, 12 and here 1 then 2. Now compare this fraction with the first fraction. In the table of 6, 48 comes 8 times. 6 8s are 48. So 1 adds a 8. Now compare this with this one. In the table of 1, 7 comes 7 times. So in the table of 6, 7 times 42. Okay students, in this question you can see here is given 3. Okay students, there is given some misprint. There will be actually 6. So make it correct. So 3 2s are 6. Here 10 and 10 2s are 20. Now compare this fraction with first fraction. In the table of 3, 12 comes 4 times. 3 4s are 12. So 10 4s are 40. Now compare these two. In the table of 10, 50 comes 5 times. 10 5s are 50. So 3 5s are 15. Similarly in this one, in the table of 11, 22 comes 2 times. So in the table of 7, 2 times will be 14. Now compare these two. In the table of 7, 35 comes 5 times. So in the table of 11, 5 times there will be 55. Now compare first and last. In the table of 11, 88 comes 8 times. So in the table of 7, 8 times will be 56. Okay students, continue to see the next question number 2nd, and the question is circle the fractions which are in their lowest term. So you can see 2 and 12 both are divisible by 2. So this is not lowest term. A fraction having lowest term if numerator and denominator are not divisible by any number except 1. 8 and 11, of course this is lowest form. This is not lowest form. This one also not lowest form. This one is lowest form. Not yes. Okay students, in the next question these are divisible by 6. So not lowest form, not lowest. This is lowest form. This is not, this one not, this one not, this one also. This one is lowest form. Okay students, continue to see the next question number 3rd. Circle the improper fraction. Improper fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. So numerator should be greater. No, no, yes. This is improper. No, no. In second, no, 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 yes. This one is improper. In this one, no, yes, no, no, no. Okay students, because in these fractions numerators are greater than denominators. So these are improper fractions. Continue to see the next. Circle the mixed fractions. Of course this one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of whole number and fraction. So this one is mixed fraction. This one also mixed fraction. This one not. And this one mixed fraction. This one mixed fraction. This one also mixed fraction. This one also mixed fraction. From the C, the first is mixed fraction, second not, third one is mixed fraction, fourth not. Okay students, now you have to write down this solution in your worksheet and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.